Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our quick English lesson. Today, we're diving into the world of articles. Let's start with a simple question. Do you know what a and are? Well, these tiny but mighty words are called articles. They act like adjectives and help us describe nouns. So, if you've ever wondered how to make your sentences clear and specific, stick around. First, we have a. The article a is used before nouns that start with a consonant sound. It helps us talk about something in general, not something specific. For example, listen to this sentence. I will bring a lunch to school tomorrow. Here, the word lunch starts with L, which is a consonant sound. We're not talking about any specific lunch, just a lunch in general. Now let's talk about an. This one is similar to a, but it has a special job. We use and before words that begin with a vowel sound, like a, e, I, o, or u. For example, I heard an interesting story on TV. The word interesting starts with a vowel sound, I. That's why we use and instead of a. Pretty simple, right? But here's an interesting fact. It's not just about the first letter of the word. It's about the sound. For instance, in the phrase an hour, we use and because hour begins with a vowel sound, even though the letter H is technically a consonant. Cool, isn't it? Okay, now it's time for the superstar article that is used when we're talking about something specific or unique. It's like pointing a big arrow at the noun and saying, yes, this is the one I mean. Here's an example. The big dog ran down the street. We're not just talking about any dog here. We're talking about the big dog. Maybe it's a dog we've seen before, or the listener knows which dog we're referring to. So let's quickly summarize. Use a before a general noun starting with a consonant sound. Use and before a general noun starting with a vowel sound. Use the when you're talking about something specific or one of a kind. Now let's test your skills. I'll say a sentence, and you decide which article fits best. Ready? I saw _apple on the table. Did you say an? Perfect. The word apple starts with a vowel sound, so we use an. Here's another. She has _idea for the project. That's right, it's an. Great job. And finally, can you grab _book from the shelf? It's a. Well done. Articles are small, but they play a big role in making your sentences clear and meaningful. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons.
See you next time.